नमस्ते। आप सबसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हो रही है। Thank you very much. It's an honor and a pleasure to be with all of you today. हर्षा जी, भरत जी कहाँ हैं? हाँ, भरत जी, thank you. आपने मुझे यहाँ पर बुलाया and thank you for making me a part of this great project. It feels wonderful to be a part of Indian Business Pages, especially because this project largely intends and promises to empower women across India. और सच में जब कोई 2-3 हफ्ते पहले मुझे अप्रोच किया गया इंडियन बिजनेस पेजेस के लिए, तो मैंने ये सुना ना, इंडियन बिजनेस पेजेस, मैंने कहा बिजनेस, इससे मेरा तालमेल होता कैसे? एक्टिंग में शायद थोड़े से कोई मार्क्स मिल जाते हो, बिजनेस में मैं तो बिल्कुल ज़ीरो हूँ। तो where is the connect? How come they want me to be a part of this? And then I was told that this is going to be an all-women enterprise, top to bottom, manned by women, worked at by women, spearheaded by Harsha ji. And I said, now I understand. Yes, I definitely want to be a part of this. So it is, as I said, spearheaded by Mrs. Harsha Popat. And just a little while ago, I met one of your well-wishers. आपके मित्र हैं, दोस्त हैं, well-wisher हैं. उन्होंने मुझे थोड़ा साइड पर जाकर मुझे कहा, आप नहीं जानते, this is not just a business. This is Harsha ji's dream. This has been, ये उनका सपना रहा है, आज नहीं 10 साल से. She's been dreaming about this, she's been thinking about it, she's been putting it together, working upon it, and today it's not just a business for her, it's like a baby. It's like her baby is being born today. So yes, sure, ज़रूर तालियां तो हो ही जाए. So हर्षा जी, आपके well wishes बहुत हैं, and I think आपकी intentions जो है ना वो बहुत ही अच्छी हैं, बहुत ही सच्ची हैं, and आपकी आंखों में आंसू भी हैं. आपको भगवान बहुत बहुत कामयाबी दे. So, as I am told, this is going to be managed by a huge network of 17,000 women, and this can only be termed as a revolution in the making. Such में, think about it, an all-women enterprise. Again, I had some feedback from the young girl who's brought me into Ahmedabad. I mean, she's just traveled with me, my agent. And she said, really, come to think about it. हमारे, we educate girls. हमारे घरों में लड़कियों की education होती है. We lay stress on it. मगर फिर भी traditional families हैं, conservative families हैं, डरते हैं कि अपनी लड़कियों को कैसे कहीं काम करने के लिए भेज दें जहाँ पर मर्द लोग भी होंगे, पता नहीं कैसा होगा उनके साथ, यानी working environment कैसा होगा. And here you have an enterprise which is going to be all women, and so isn't it a wonderful, safe environment for women to come forward, work there, families to feel so secure and so happy that their women can go out and work in such an environment. So many congratulations, Mrs. Popat, for coming up with this thought and with this idea. So it's definitely a new benchmark, and the world will soon acknowledge this. Being a woman, this is really what makes IBP very, very special to me. Now, IBP's motto is to provide a pan-India database of more than 25 million businesses, and in the process create millions of business opportunities. So, वो होता है ना, कहते हैं जब किसी सक्सेसफुल आदमी से पूछते हैं कि आपकी सक्सेस का राज बताइए, तो कहते हैं हाँ, मेरी सक्सेस के पीछे मेरी बीवी का हाथ है, मेरी माँ का हाथ है, मेरी बहन की दुआ है. तो अब तो अक्रॉस इंडिया बिजनेस लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारी जब वो इस IBP से जुड़ेंगे और उनको कोई प्रॉफिट होगा, तो ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारी कामयाबी के पीछे बहुत सारी औरतों का हाथ है. And speaking about IBP and what it intends to do, I think one of the wonderful things that it does is gives you a database, collects data across India. They plan to do that in about 3 months. Across India, you will have small and medium business houses being, profiled over there. And for business houses who are suppliers, wanting to buy, wanting to supply, isn't it wonderful that you have information at the click, of a button, or you can have an entire directory, you can have a CD, and you can have options. आप एक बायर हैं, आपको कुछ सप्लाईज चाहिए, एंड पहले तो पता ही नहीं होता था ना कि इस एरिया में कितने सप्लायर्स हैं. अब तो थैंक्स टू IBP यू विल नो what are your options. You will know who all can supply you with a certain item, and not only that, you will be able to compare prices and know कि भाई जो ये बात कर रहे हैं, जो ये supply करेंगे, what are my best options, what is the best value for money. So in that way, it is going to be very beneficial to a lot of business houses. Yes, so this is going to be absolutely a wonderful platform, and I am so glad that I am going to be a part of this. I am going to represent Indian Business Pages. I am very excited and I'm very proud to be here and a part of this family. And here I'd like to say that I really wish with all my heart Mr. and Mrs. Popat all the very best, great success and a great future ahead. Thank you.